looking at
They're
them.
nice. I have one set and it's really smooth.
You know, the only set that I have is the set that we or I. There were some of the cars.
Dispatcher here, you're lined up and clear inbound, over. Copy that, out.
So that might be a little bit of.
Let's see if it works. The knob will be decapitated. Some engines will work better than others.
Was one of the things, and there's a couple of other things that I had a question about, so I was either going to email him or see if I could call him, or actually I probably ought to ask you the question because you probably know as much about it as anybody else, and then I'd know what to order.
All of a sudden, it wants to go backwards. I'm like, every other engine works fine. What's going on with it? I have to take it apart and get
Turn around and run it the other way.
It does the same thing in exactly
does
the
it?
same spot on the track. But if every other engine I put there, it's fine.
Oh, it's not going over a switch. It's just a
No, it's
place in the track.
I didn't screw the track down there yet, so maybe it's just, but it's just that one engine.